All right, friends, we got a loaded nachos with steak, extra mozzarella cheese, 3 steak tacos, and a chicken salsa. Let's lock in. Chips get fried, $3.50 for 1 minute. Let's get a nice amount of chips on the bottom to have a nice bed when we build up the go. Sorry, the chips are really hot. Try not to burn myself. Right. Red one, green one, X. Beans. I'm gonna go outer rim on the beans. And we're gonna build up from there. Remember, they wanted extra mozzarella cheese. So we'll just throw another slab on here and we'll let it melt naturally. I also got 3 6 steak tacos on there. One's a plate. Steak tacos coming in. So we just want the tortillas to heat up and be pliable, durable, but not like overly, not too hard, not too soft. On these nachos. Extra cheese. And then steak on these tacos. Yeah, thank you. It's exactly what I wanted. Each taco gets 2 ounces of meat. That's the red scoop handle. The red handle, it represents 2 ounces. And they're gonna get every team, do it all together. Bring them over here. Is it still raining right now? Hey, can you put it right inside the pot that's on the stovetop? Yeah. Thank you. Alright, there we go. There we go. Here's cilantro. Salsa. All the steak tacos get red and green. Nachos get red and green. And then we'll just go the opposite direction. Crema. Guacamole. Then the tacos get lambs, salsa. It's our favorite chicken. Let's knock it out. Alright, 3 chicken taco plates, you good? Let's get it. Remember, rice means split plates. It got me. Not a problem. Back in the game. Let's get it. Chicken's just like the steak, it gets red and green salsa. Nice one. Let's go. A big
You gonna turn the oven on?
It's already on.
Can I dice up the onion?
Yeah.